Welcome to Grandview Homes. Hi, I'm Jay, one of the senior home buying specialists, and I'm here to tell you how easy it is to get your fair cash offer for your home. Go to our website and fill in the form, or you can call our office. We have someone available to answer the phone 24 hours a day. You will be assigned to one of our professional home buyer specialists. They will schedule a 30-minute appointment. Within hours after the appointment, we will call you to communicate the offer amount and email you a written copy. If you don't use email, that's okay. We're happy to overnight you a hard copy of the contract for your review. Please take the time you need to review the contract. Go over it with your trusted advisors. Remember, all of our offers include paying all of your closing costs, title charges, and fees. Please feel free to call us if you have any other questions or concerns. And remember, you're under no obligation when receiving our offer. Please see our next video on how to accept the offer and sell your home.